story is called Rainbow the Unicorn and the Big Mean Bully by students at PS127. Once upon a time, in a secret location in Florida, there was a special school just for unicorns called Unischool High School. Rainbow the unicorn went to the Unischool and loved every minute of it, especially all of the colorful unicorn decorations. As her name would suggest, Rainbow was a plain, gray unicorn. Just kidding! Rainbow was a rainbow-colored unicorn. She was 15 years old and very nice. Rainbow got along with pretty much every other unicorn in the school and had a best friend named Red. However, there was one student in the school who wasn't very nice. Crash was a big bully and very mean. Crash hated rainbows and all things colorful, so he thought that Rainbow the unicorn was really uncool. He decided that he wanted to make Rainbow very sad because she was just too happy, and he didn't like that. One day at school, Crash came up with a plan to make Rainbow cry. On a break in the hallway, he took a piece of paper and wrote a note that looked like it was from Rainbow's best friend, Red. He stuffed the note into Rainbow's backpack. When Rainbow got home and went to do her homework, she found the fake note in her backpack. This is what it said.
Dear Rainbow, I think that rainbows and colorful things are really dumb. Because you have rainbows all over you, you must be really dumb too. I can't be friends with someone so uncool. Your ex-best friend, Red.
Rainbow was so sad and cried a lot. She couldn't believe that her best friend could be so mean. The next day at school, Rainbow went to confront her friend Red, only to find out that Red didn't write the note at all. They saw Crash laughing in the corner and realized that Crash had written the note. "You big bully," said Rainbow and Red. "That's extremely mean." They told the principal about the bullying, and the principal gave Crash a stern talking to. The principal realized that Crash must have some difficult things happening in his life to make him so mean. So he moved Crash to a special class where he would get extra help and support to help him deal with his anger better. Crash got better at being a good person in his new class, and Rainbow and Red never got everyone lived happily ever after.